Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trainline, train and bus booking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trainline is a travel booking app designed to help users plan and book train and bus journeys easily across the UK and Europe. It allows users to search routes, compare prices, and purchase tickets for thousands of train and coach operators, all in one place. The app supports both domestic and international travel, making it one of the most comprehensive platforms for travelers. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering convenience for commuters and tourists alike. The app's main feature is its real-time journey updates and mobile ticketing system, which eliminates the need for paper tickets. Users can check live departure boards, get fare alerts, and use split ticketing to save money on routes. Trainline also provides detailed information about train platforms, journey durations, and seat options, helping users make better travel decisions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its user-friendly design, accurate real-time data, and money-saving options. The split ticketing feature, in particular, has been praised for helping travelers cut down costs significantly. The app also sends travel reminders and delay notifications, which adds an extra layer of convenience for busy commuters. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional payment errors or refund delays when cancellations occur. The app may also charge a small service fee on certain bookings, and live updates may lag slightly in rural or low-signal areas. In addition, limited offline functionality means you'll need a stable internet connection to access all features smoothly. In summary, the Trainline app may be worth using if you frequently travel by train or bus and want a convenient, cost-effective platform for booking and managing your trips. However, if you prefer booking directly through transport providers or want to avoid extra service fees, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.